there's plenty of gaming cloud streaming solutions out there right now, or basically services that allow you to play your favorite games, not on your local hardware, but on some servers far, far away. And while most of them you have to pay for, then there's now.gg, which offers you a big library of games completely for free. But okay, what exactly is the catch then? Well, while most services focus on providing you with cloud gaming for PC or console games, now.gg focuses on bringing you stuff from the Google Play Store, so you mostly be getting mobile titles that you'd usually play on your phone, tablet, etc. There are obviously some key benefits to that approach. For example, if you don't have an Android phone handy, you can use this to play your favorite games. Or if you just want to play on a larger display than this tiny rectangle. And there's also the fact that it supports pretty much any type of input you'd want, be it touchscreen, mouse and keyboard, or controller, so there's plenty of customization there. However, of course, the biggest downside is just the fact that you're limited to mobile games. And while the library is pretty big, it ranges from big proper games from developers you've heard of, to classic mobile jank and straight up ripoffs of popular games. And because it just dumps most of the Play Store rider for you, the content curation obviously isn't as good as many other cloud gaming services. However, they do actually offer articles where they list some of the top picks you may want to explore, so that's handy at least. Meaning that all in all, now.gg is a pretty interesting platform. It does offer a pretty good experience given how you can play some mobile games on a larger display for free and not having to use local hardware. However, you still need to have a good internet connection to make the most of it, and also you're still stuck playing only mobile games. Another thing to keep in mind is that while it's technically free, some of the more premium games will require you to purchase a pass or watch an ad for limited game time. So if you found this introduction into now.gg helpful, then maybe subscribe to How To Authority for more like this in the future.